Hello everyone. Okay, so I think you can hear me properly now. Uh, I hope you're doing good. I'm Naveen Giri, and welcome to Buddy Developers. Okay, so previous, uh, maybe you don't know, just reminding you again that we're going to conduct a weekly live session on this channel, Buddy Developers YouTube channel, where we will discuss uh, many things related to Geo Directory, BuddyPress, WooCommerce, WordPress, and many more. And at the same time, you can ask me any question you have. So every Sunday we're going to do this live session. So because we this coming Sunday will be the first Sunday when we will do the first live session. Meanwhile, I'm just testing up this live setup because this is very new for me. I haven't done any live previously, so I'm just testing up a few live streaming softwares and checking like which one will work for me. Okay, so in the coming live session that we're going to have tomorrow, I'm just reminding you guys again that tomorrow we have live session and we will discuss many things we will discuss how you can create a directory site using Geo Directory plugin, and we will also see how you can you know create this directory site using block strap and the directory theme of the Geo Directory plugin. So it's like two different things, but no, I cannot say two different things. Like block strap and directory theme are part of Geo Directory, but they are they are a very new theme in Geo Directory marketplace or in Geo Directory product list. So many people don't know like how to set up them. So in the next live session, I will introduce these two themes, and at the same time I will show you like how you can set up the Geo Directory plugin and what are the different things that you have to be uh, aware of when you are setting up a directory site using Geo Directory. Okay, so in the current video we will do a basic setup of our WordPress, and in the upcoming video then we will proceed on setting up Geo Directory plugin. So I hope you can see my screen. Let me check here on the another device if you can see my screen. Okay, so yeah, so I think you can hear me properly now. Okay, so I think it is all right. Okay, so in order to set up a directory site or any website, like I'm totally describing this thing from scratch, so you guys would better understand. So if you want to create a directory website, I hope everybody know what is directory website. If some of you don't know, then a website like yelp.com, yeah, the website like yelp.com, where you can search for businesses in any specific location or something. You can search businesses by categories, and where basically you get list of the businesses and you get detail of all those businesses. Such kind of websites, we call them directory listing website or business directory listing website. For example, my my PC is slow, I think, because of this. live software that I'm running. Okay, so this is the business listing, and in the detail page of this business listing you get detail of all about this business, like what is the business hour, where is the location, and many more other information. You can even give a review to this business. So basically, these are called directory website, where somebody can list their business, and somebody who's looking for services related to that business, they can come to that website and they can search for something and they get the listing. So for example, you have a directory website that is specifically for doctors in New York. So in that case, the first thing is that your website should have all the data of the doctors, um, those are there in the New York City. And then anybody who is looking for doctors in New York, they can come to your website and they can search for that, their particular categories, and they will get the listings of all those doctors. So this is how basically normally the directory website work. There is also a directory website which is very famous in India called justdial.com. So if you're a directory website owner, I think you should better check these two sites because they are a great player in industry, in the same industry right now, in the directory site industry. They are doing very good, so you should check their websites. So like this justdial.com, it is very popular here in India and covered lots of categories. My system is slow, I think because of this live software. Okay, so if this is a directory website, and if somebody wants to see a restaurant, they can come to the restaurant category. Or yeah, if somebody is planning their wedding, they can click here. If somebody looking for dentist or gym, so suppose I'm looking for gym, I will go to the gym category, and then it automatically choose my location. Here you can see it automatically selected my location, although this is not the exact location, but it is in my city, so it's showing me all the gyms nearby my locations. And you have different options here. You can sort them, you can sort them by amenities. You can see all the open now. So this is the example of directory website, a decent example of directory website. So now directory website have a great reach because every day people are searching over the internet, and these directory website, if you have a niche specific directory website, then you have greater chance to come up. And then there are different models through which you can earn from this directory website, by showing ads, by selling the plans or something, or there are other different ways. We will discuss it in upcoming videos of our this live series. So for now, just giving you a glimpse of this. If you are a directory website owner, or if you just planning to open up or create a directory website, then you guys should check this website called justdial.com and yelp.com. We will also conduct a case studies on these two websites later on in this live series. Once I get comfortable with the live environment, we will discuss it. We will discuss it in detail, like what they are doing exactly and what we can adapt in our website or something. So now the case is that somebody wants to create a directory website like this. How they can create it in WordPress? This website is surely not created in WordPress, And Yelp is also not a WordPress website. I'm not sure, let me check, but for sure it is not a WordPress website. Yeah, it is not a WordPress website. No. So Yelp is not a WordPress website. Just that is not a WordPress website. Now you want to create a directory website, and you want to create it in WordPress. Then how can you create it in WordPress and make it look exactly like this, or with almost with the same feature like these websites offer? So we're going to discuss this in this live series of our YouTube channel. So again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can subscribe it, so that um, you will stay updated with the future live sessions that we're going to have in this channel. In the last video, I have also explained to you guys that I'm not just conducting a live on building directory website or building social networking website in WordPress or an e-commerce site in WordPress, but I'm also going to invite many professional on this channel live session, so that they can share their knowledge with us, and we can gain something good from it. And you can also tell me like what topic should we consider for the next live, and I will make sure to match up with that. Okay, so for now, we want to create a directory website like Yelp or justdial.com. For that, what we need, so we need two things. We need a domain name, which is the name of your business. So like if you talk about Yelp, then it's yelp.com or justdial.com. This is the this is the domain name. So you have to decide a domain name for your directory website. It should be short and precise, and it should have some meaning, or maybe easily rememberable for user. I have seen that sometimes some of people, they while they are creating or choosing the domain name, they just randomly consider a name, very long name, and it is hard to remember for people. So I will suggest, if you are purchasing a domain name, or if you want to purchase a domain name, first you have to think it in mind, like what should my business name should be. So uh, I can say that it should be short and meaningful. It should be meaningful and are easily rememberable. It should be easily rememberable, like just it should comes in my in the mouth when somebody, you know, say it somewhere. So it should be that easy. So while choosing the domain name or name of your business, always make sure to have this criteria. And once you have the domain name, then you need a hosting where you should actually place the file or the code file of that website. So in my case, I'm using Hostinger as a hosting. It is very good hosting. I'm using it for all of my website. So you can, I will add the link in the description of this video, affiliated link, so that I will get some incentive if you buy Hostinger from it. I'm not just recommending it just for earning money, but I'm also using it for all of my website. You can see here, and it is very good. Their support is good, and they hardly get down. And if I talk about the plans, their plans is also affordable. You can check it. I will share the link with you. Okay, so the first thing is that once you have the account in Hostinger, then you can go to domain, and you can basically, after buying the hosting, you can go to the domain, to the Hostinger account, and then in the domain section you have the option to get a new domain. You can click on it, and then you just have to search for the name of your domain. You can also use their AI tool. They have a AI tool which will give you the suggestion of the domain name that you can use. But suppose you have anything xyz.com or something, for sure this domain name is already purchased by someone, but I'm just searching it. You can see here it's saying xyz is already taken. You can purchase this xyz digital, or maybe we can call it anything, just or just make it books shop. Yeah, so you can search your domain name here and then buy it. Just to give you a example of like a few domain name, like .com is for commercial purpose. So if you are owning a directory website, then considering it .com will be a good idea. .org is for organization kind of thing. .shop is for a shop, but for directory website I think .com is a good idea to keep it .com. So you can just search your domain name here and it will give you the suggestion. You can buy them from here. But I have already purchased a domain name, so I'm just gonna use it. So here is my domain name, kitabukahisab.in. .in means it is only for the India, so it is just a test domain. I'm just showing it, I'm just giving you a demo of this. So this website does, it's not a real website, so I'm just using this domain name for giving a demo. So once you have the website, you have the domain name, then you have to go in the website section. So you will get all this dashboard once you purchase your hosting. So the first thing you have to do is go for purchasing the hosting by clicking on the link in the description of this live. I will provide you the live link of this. Okay, now you are in the website section. You just click on add website. They have three different options, whether you want to go for empty website, you want to use the hosting or website builder, or migrate some other website to this. So I'm just gonna go for WordPress. Okay, so who is this website for? It is for myself or for my business. Create a login. Okay, what kind of website it is? Business and services, online store, blog, portfolio. I will say other. Here it have pre-built templates. I'm not gonna use them. I'm just using the default one, 2022. I think this is good. We will just make it default theme. Okay, so we have selected the theme. We'll go for next, recommended plugin. Okay, so I don't want any plugin from here. I just deactivate all the plugins. Okay, it is not allowing me, so in that case I'm just gonna select this Google Sitekit. Brand name, call it Kitabu Hisab Books. That's it. You can use the AI tool also to create the description. Okay, now it's saying me to type the domain name. This is my domain name. Now it's basically installing it. So if I check right now kitabukahisab.in. Okay, so it is installing right now. You can see it is not yet completed. 77%. Okay, so I have to do these live sessions like this because I know like nobody is checking these live right now. So I'm just trying to build or break the YouTube or just match up with the YouTube algorithm so that you guys will get notified by YouTube about the next live session. So here we are, guys. Our kitabukahisab.in website is set up, and if I refresh the page again, basically let's just load the home page. So this website is now set up properly. There you go. It is just the basic WordPress setup. From the backend, we have different option that is provided by this hosting, like you have free email thing, you have cache, you have option to cache this entire website. Where is the cache option? Cache, there is a, so you have the page speed thing. It also provide you malware scan. You can manage your email account from here. You can add subdomain from here. Mm, you have the backup option available here. Okay, so you can check your database from here, and in the advanced section they have cache manager, from where you can manage the caching and other options. Like I'll just enable caching, and then it will start caching the website. I'll go to the dashboard again. This is the kitabukahisab.com dashboard. You can have multiple domains, and every domain will have their own dashboard. So now I will go in the admin panel of this website, Kitabukahisab. I have the automated login option here. You can just click on this admin panel button and it will auto login in the website directly. So don't forget to um, join me tomorrow at 7 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time Zone. Tomorrow is our next live where I will show you how you can set up the directory website using GeoDirectory plugin, and using the block strip and the directory theme of GeoDirectory, which is pretty new theme in GeoDirectory, and they are a block theme. So if you are a Elementor or any page builder lover, you might enjoy these two themes because they use default WordPress editor and give you the dashing look of the website. So we will see everything in detail, like how you can use those things and create a beautiful website like yelp.com. Okay guys, so here you can see our WordPress is set up properly, and this is the back end and this is the front end of this website. Since today is no one on the live right now because my YouTube channel does not have that much reach, but I will suggest you guys that you can join me. But tomorrow I'm gonna come up with the the entire setup on creating a directory website using the geo directory plugin and using the block strap and directory theme. So I hope you enjoyed this video today till now, and now you know that how you can set up your website. You just have to buy a domain name, and you can buy a hosting from Hostinger, and then you can buy a domain name, and then you can set up your website like I've shown you from the website section of the Hostinger dashboard. Give a thumbs up to this video, and stay tuned that tomorrow we're gonna come up live at 7 p.m. IST time zone. So you can come tomorrow to the live of Buddy Developers and ask me any question related to GeoDirectory. I will make sure to answer them. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye bye.